Over here on the left is a chart that's showing how you can change the log function, and that changes what the graph looks like. That moves it up, down, left, right, reflects it, compresses it, things like that. So on the right is a function that you have some homework questions about, where we're talking about what the A does, what the C does, what the D does, what the G does. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and kind of walk through what each of those variables A, C, D, and G mean using the chart on the left. So first off, let's look at A. What I've done is I've erased all of the other variables. We're really just focusing on A and what is that A doing to the log of X. And notice that we are adding them together. So you could write it like this, or you could have written the log of X plus A. So basically we're adding a number to the log. So that number can be positive or negative. And that's what we're showing in the first two rows here. You can add a number, you could subtract a number. That moves it up and down. Now let's look at the C. So this is showing you have the log of X, and then you're multiplying it by some number C. And that C, it could be a 4, like in my example here. You're multiplying the log by a number, and that is a vertical stretch or a vertical compression. Now let's look at the D. So this is showing you have a log of X, but you're multiplying X by some number, and they're using D here. So it could be log, instead of D, you could have put a 4. So we're multiplying X by some number. So that would be this one right here, which is horizontal compression or stretching. And then last, let's look at the G. Here you have the log of X, but you're adding a number to X before you take the log of that. So that number, G, could be a positive or a negative number. So you're adding a number within that function, or subtracting or adding a negative number. So this is moving it to the left and right. I hope that helps clarify this a bit.